So hello everybody. I hope you all are doing great. Actually, I was quite busy due to my academics, so I know it's kind of late for the video, but now we will be trying to be regular in our channel. So today we will be discussing about most four important questions from integration in both definite and indefinite manner, which may be highly useful for the CBSE backgrounded students. Here is the first question. We are coming straight to the question. Okay. So here is the first question which states that determine the antiderivative of this function. See, antiderivative is nothing but integration. So in question, you can be easily tested by using this term and not saying that to do the integration. So if we come to the solution, we are given fx, which is 4x cube minus 6, and we are giving that f of 0 is equal to 3, where capital F is the integration and fx is the antiderivative. I mean, fx is the function. We need to find the antiderivative or integration of this function. So f will be integration of fx, which is integration of 4x cube minus 6 dx. Now 4 integration of x cube dx minus 6 integration of dx. We're just splitting the terms only. So integration of, now if we see that integration of x to the power n, this is 1 by n plus 1 x to the power n plus 1, and integration of dx is simply x. Not considering the constants, we are getting this much. Now for integration of x cube dx, we will get x to the power 4 minus 6x plus a constant will come. So elementary, this is the elementary thing we are getting through integrating. Okay, now as we can see, we are getting f of x, which is x to the power 4 minus 6x plus c, and f of 0 is 3, which is given. We can say c is equal to 3, which is quite obvious by putting 0 to the power 4 minus 6 into 0 plus c is equal to 3. So the function stands f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x plus 3, which is our desired solution. Wait a second, just uh, color it out so that you can understand the answer. It's our answer. So the first one, we get x to the power 4 minus 6x plus 3. I hope you got the first solution. Now we are moving to the next question, which says we need to integrate sine cube x, cos square x, and dx. So I can easily do it by putting sine cube x dx as sine square x, cos square x, and sin x dx. Just splitting the terms only, just splitting. Here sine square x and here sin x. Now I will just change the term sine square x with cos square x, so that I will get 1 minus cos square x into cos square x into sin x dx. Here we will use the property of substitution where I will take where I will take cos x as t and sin x dx as minus dt. So from here I will get the solution as 1 minus t square into t squared sin x dx is minus dt. So the thing becomes this. Now, if I split the terms, it will look like t to the power 4 dt minus t squared dt, which will look like 1 by 5 t to the power 5 minus 1 by 3 t cube plus c. Sorry, extremely sorry. Now, if I write it as the integration was 1 by 5, okay, t to the power 5 minus 1 by 3 t cube plus c. Just let me check the one. Now I took t as cos x. So just I will replace the term as it is 1 by 5 cos to the power 5x minus 1 by 3 cos cube x plus c. As we are not given any kind of condition, so we cannot find the value of the constant. So the solution will be this only. So this is our answer. I hope you get the solution. Now we will look back to the next question, which is integrate the given function using integration by substitution. Now, in this question, we are asked to use the property of substitution. Okay, so let us start. We are taking I is equal to 2x sine square, sine x square plus 1 and dx as they have said us to differentiate with respect to x. Now, if I give a close look to this, I can see that here is 2x and here is dx. Also we have 1 plus x square here. So let me add a pen, extra pen here. Um, let's say blue. Okay. Now if I substitute 1 plus x square is t, so I will get 2x dx as dt. Now 2x dx is dt and 1 plus x square is t. So the function reduces to sine t dt. We can easily integrate it as minus cos t plus c. Now all we need is to just replace the value of t to the original value. This is our answer. This was a too much easy question, but all we needed is to just judge the question in a proper manner so that we can understand the solution. Okay, if I say that the function was like x sine x square plus 1 dx, and we needed to just do this. So all we needed to do is 1 plus x square is t. Similarly, 2x dx is dt. Now all we need to understand that 2 is a constant. So we can easily multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2. so that the function remains constant. So here, if we take half here and 2x dx is dt, so the function again becomes the sine t dt. So the answer will be minus of cos 1 plus x square plus c. Just try to understand one thing. Here the answer was minus cos 1 plus x square plus c, and here minus cos 1 plus x square plus c. I hope you understood the process. Now we will look back to our fourth question and the final question, which says evaluate 3a by b square plus c square x dx, which is given as the integral. Here we will similarly we will take b square plus c square x square as the t, so that we get c square into 2x dx is dt. So we get x dx is nothing but 1 by 2c square dt. Now if I put the values here, 3a is constant, x dx is I am getting dt by 2c square, and b square plus c square has been already taken as t. So the function looks like 3 by 2 a by c square dt by t. See, here this term is a constant. So we can take the constant term easily out. Okay, because it will not hamper our integration. So I just took this constant as ABC are constant here. ABC are constants. So if I continue this, I will get 3a by 2c square ln t plus c. Here c is a constant and c is also a constant, but it's a integration constant. So we should term it as c dashed, where c dashed will be integration constant. So I will get I is equal to 3a by 2c square ln. I took t as b square plus c square x square. B square plus c square x square plus c dashed. So this is our next solution. So I hope you understand the structures I tried to make you understand. Here all we did is just integrated in a proper manner so that we can understand the elementary thing about integration. In the next question, we just use the property of substitution. Okay, so the property of substitution is nothing but just a property to substitute any term which looks to be a tough property of substitution. And the next one is to integrate it with respect to dx. So this is nothing but also a property of substitution. And the next one is uh, you know next one is just a simple use of the formulae of integration. So I hope you understood today's lecture. uh, if you face any kind of difficulty, then you can reach me out to the comments, and in the next video we will be discussing about the indefinite integrations. I hope that the students which are from CBSE background will find this video too much compactful, because one of these 4 questions must come to the um, what I should say, must come to the boards, because I think it's too much important for you and your parents to understand the taxonomy, or whatever you say these things. You should understand what should come in the exams. So practice these 4 equations. I mean 4 questions. Uh, Having your best efforts so that one of these questions come in common in your board exams. So till then, let us have a meet in our next video. Thanks.